This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the load. Sort by color and fabric to prevent damage and uneven cleaning. Once sorted, check pockets, zip up hardware, and place delicates in a mesh bag so they don't tangle. Next, measure heat detergent precisely. Too much creates residue, too little reduces cleaning. Add fabric softener or boosters to the dispenser as directed. Now load garments loosely, do not overpack. Make sure to close the door firmly, and move right into cycle selection to continue. You now choose the appropriate cycle and settings based on fabric and soil because those choices control agitation, temperature, and spin action. For colored or delicate items, select cold or warm and a gentle spin. For heavy towels, pick hot and high spin for water extraction. Once set, adjust soil level or add an extra rinse if detergent residue is a concern. If a stain exists, pause and apply pretreatment, then resume. Make sure the machine shows time remaining and press start to begin washing. You finish by unloading within 30 minutes to prevent wrinkles and mildew. Shake and reshape garments and transfer to dryer or air dry as care labels indicate. After each use, wipe the gasket, clean the detergent drawer, and leave the door open briefly to dry the drum and prevent odors. If you encounter problems, here's one key troubleshooting tip. If the washer vibrates, stops mid-cycle, or won't drain, pause, rebalance the load, and inspect the drain filter and hoses for lint or objects. Clear clogs, then restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.